Richest celebrity couples in the world. Who are the richest couples in the world? There are a lot of power couples in the fame and fortune world. I am sure you all have a favorite, whether it's Beyonce and Jay-Z, Posh and Bex, or God forbid, Kanye and Kim. I have taken a look at all the famous celebrity couples in 2019 and researched their individual and combined net worths to give you a list of the top 15 richest celebrity couples in the world. Welcome back to Elite Jamaica, the place you come to learn about Jamaica and Jamaicans. If it's your first time joining me here, consider subscribing to the channel by clicking that red subscribe button, and do remember to turn on notifications by clicking that bell icon so you never miss any of my updates. Here are the top 15 richest celebrity couples in the world. Number 15. Sarah Jessica Parker and Matthew Broderick. Combined net worth $135 million. Matthew Broderick and Sarah Jessica Parker are both famous actors. Broderick well known for his films like Ferris Bueller's Day Off, and Parker being well known for her role in Sex and the City. The couple's combined net worth is $135 million, with Sarah Jessica Parker's personal net worth at $90 million and Matthew Broderick's at $45 million. Number 14. Faith Hill and Tim McGraw. Combined net worth $165 million. Faith Hill and Tim McGraw are both country music singers and have been married since 1996. Their 20th wedding anniversary was in October this year. The power couple's combined net worth is $165 million, being split pretty much straight down the middle. Number 13. John Travolta and Kelly Preston. Combined net worth $190 million. John Travolta, probably most recognized for the lead role he played in Grease, has been married to Kelly Preston since 1991. They are both actors and have an incredible $190 million combined net worth. Travolta's portion of his net worth being $170 million, whilst Preston's being the remaining $20 million. Number 12. Nicole Kidman and Keith Urban. Combined net worth $205 million. Nicole Kidman is an Australian actress and has been married to Keith Urban, an Australian country music star, since 2006. The couple's total combined net worth is $205 million, with Nicole's personal net worth being $130 million and Keith's being $75 million. Number 11. Harrison Ford and Callista Flockhart. Combined net worth $254 million. Harrison Ford has played roles in a bunch of our favorite films over the years, including Star Wars and Indiana Jones. His net worth is estimated to be around $230 million. Callista Flockhart, Harrison's wife, is an American actress with a net worth of $24 million. Together, they have combined net worth of $254 million. Number 10. Will Smith and Jada Pinkett Smith. Combined net worth $280 million. There's no doubt Will Smith is one of my top role models of all time. He met Jada on the set of Fresh Prince of Bel-Air and all those years ago when she was auditioning for one of the roles in the show. Will Smith's net worth is $260 million, and fellow actor and partner Jada's net worth is $20 million. This gives the couple a healthy combined net worth of $280 million. Number 9. Kanye West and Kim Kardashian. Combined net worth $295 million. There's been a lot of stick given to the power couple recently in the news, majorly because of some of their questionable behavior. Kanye West and Kim Kardashian are probably one of the most notorious celebrity couples right now. Kim, of course, is a reality television star and model, and Kanye a successful hip-hop artist. The combined net worth of the couple amounts to $295 million, split almost exactly down the middle. Number 8. Brad Pitt and Angelina Jolie. Combined net worth $400 million. Brad Pitt and Angelina Jolie are both incredibly successful actors and have been featured in a wide range of movies over the year, including Fight Club, Tomb Raider, Alexander, Inglourious Basterds, and Wanted. The list goes on. Brad Pitt's net worth is $240 million and Angelina's is $160 million, giving the couple a combined net worth of $400 million in total. Number 7. Tom Brady and Giselle Bundchen. Combined net worth $540 million. Tom Brady is considered one of the best quarterbacks in the history of NFL, playing for the New England Patriots. Brady's net worth is 180 million, and his partner Giselle Bonchen, who is a professional supermodel, his net worth is 360 million, a combined net worth of 540 million between this amazing power couple. Number 6. David and Victoria Beckham. Combined net worth $900 million. The English soccer star and the ex-pop star have been together for a long time. Both David Beckham's net worth and Victoria's net worth is estimated at around 450 million each. Beckham played soccer for Manchester United back in the day for 9 complete seasons and has since moved to America. The Beckham couple has a combined net worth of 900 million, which puts them high up on this list of the richest celebrity couples. Number 5. Jay-Z and Beyonce. Combined net worth $1.15 billion. Beyonce and Jay-Z have a combined net worth of over $1.15 billion, with Jay-Z's net worth being roughly around $700 million of that amount. Although they are both incredibly successful in the music industry, Beyonce and Jay-Z are also successful entrepreneurs, with clothing lines such as Jay-Z's Rocawear and plenty of other successful investments. Their combined net worth makes them the 5th richest celebrity couple in the world. Number 4. Janet Jackson and Wissam Almana. Combined net worth $1.175 billion. Janet Jackson is an American singer, actress, dancer, and the youngest of the 9 Jackson children. She has a net worth of over $175 million and is married to Wissam Almana, a successful entrepreneur with a net worth of $1 billion. The couple got married back in 2012 in secret, and this power couple has a combined net worth of $1.175 billion. Number 3. Steven Spielberg and Kate Capshaw. Combined net worth $3.5 billion. Steven Spielberg is one of the most iconic and successful movie producers of all time, with a net worth of $3.5 billion. Spielberg and Kate Capshaw have a combined net worth of $3.5 billion. Capshaw is an American actress worth an estimated $20 million, and she first met Spielberg when auditioning for a part in Indiana Jones, The Temple of Doom, back in 1984. Number 2. Mariah Carey and James Packer. Combined net worth $4.2 billion. Mariah Carey and James Packer have only recently announced their engagement after Mariah had gotten a divorce from her previous husband, Nick Cannon, a year ago. Packer is an Australian businessman worth a whopping $3.7 billion. Mariah's net worth as a successful singer-actress is $520 million, giving the newly engaged couple a combined net worth of $4.2 billion. Number 1. Francois Henry Pinault and Salma Hayek. Salma Hayek is a successful Mexican-born actress who featured in many great films and productions since moving to the US in 1991. Salma and Francois Henry Pinault, the $5 billion entrepreneur, have been married since 2009. Their combined net worth makes them the number 1 power couple in the world and on the list of richest celebrity couples. Thank you for joining me again, guys. I really do hope you found this video interesting or informative. If so, please give it a thumbs up. And remember that you can subscribe to Elite Jamaica by clicking that red subscribe button. And do remember to turn on notifications by clicking that bell icon so you never miss any of my updates. I am Alex. Peace. I'm on the mission. A mission. Today is the day. Start your ignition. Let's take it away.